Okay, so this session is to what is the domain of this function. So domain is x. So you can look at the x. So it started with here, which is 0, and going toward a negative 10. So means x had to be less than 0. Now, domain of this function is again is included 0, but it's going toward 10. So means it's greater than 0 and it's getting bigger and bigger, right? So it's greater than equal to 0. Now for this one, it started with negative a and it's going toward positive side. So it's x is greater than equal to negative a. Now for this one, now you're talking about range. So range, you're going to look at y-axis, y value. So y value start with negative 3, include negative 3, and going toward down means smaller, right? So y had to be less than equal to negative 3. Okay, for this one, range. So range is looking at x value, even though it's going toward x, but if you look at y value is getting bigger, you look at x value is getting smaller, right? But all start with 0. So therefore is y greater than or equal to 0. It start with 0 and not start with 1. So we're going to put 0. Now for this one, what are the domain and range? So for this one, both the domain and range, they are greater than equal to 0, right? So make sure you got this. So x is greater than 0, y is less than 0. No, x is greater than 0, y is greater than 0. So that you should pick. Now for this one, so you look at the domain is x, right? So x is greater than negative 2, greater than equal to negative 2. So this one, and y is greater than negative 4, right? Because here is negative 4, x is negative 2. So this is where you should pick. So now it's your turn to try out, okay?